5-1. Ow. Ow. Another diphthong, a combination of the largest lip opening, number 5, with the smallest, number 1. Ooh. Again, using that quick American glide. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. Stretching these muscles. Wow, 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 wow. Now, brown. Commonly mispronounced as
Now is brown.
Now it's brown.
Now is brown.
Now it's brown. Now it's brown. Now it's brown.
People tend to have not a big enough opening for the number 5, and they don't follow through into a good number 1 shape. What's needed here is a bigger number 5 and a better formed number 1, and then a smooth glide from the 5 to the 1. Ow, ow. Now, brown.
Now
Brown.
brown.
Now, brown. How, eyebrow, 1,000, hours, house, towel, flower, clown. Stage 2.
Now,
brown, how, eyebrow, 1,000, hours, house, towel, flower, clown. Stage 3.
Now, brown, how, eyebrow, 1,000, hours, house, towel, flower, clown.